सो प्यारे लाडलो, आज हम लोग कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के बारे में जानेंगे। सो व्हाट इज द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी नो अबाउट द लीनियर इक्वेशन, quadratic equation, cubic equation, etc. So if you write x square plus minus 4 equal to 0, so degree of x is 2. So this is the quadratic equation. So what is the value of x? So value of x equal to 4. So x equal to plus minus 2. Value of x is 2. X value of x is minus 2. But if the equation is x square plus 4 equal to 0, or x square plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation and this is the quadratic equation also. So write down x square equal to minus 1. You know minus 1. Minus 1. So what is the value of x? That means you can write minus 1. Root minus 1. So root minus 1 is negative. So root negative is not defined. So what is the value of x? It is a problem. So one of the Euler switch mathematicians, he write the value of minus 1 equal to I. So in the quadratic equation complex number, so you know, so a number is za plus ib. Such is this is called the complex number. This is the complex number. So what is the value of I? According to the number, integral power of I. Integral power of I. So write down integral power of I. In this case, power of I is 1. So we can write the value of I and n for n belongs to z. N belongs to z. But the value of n if n equal to 1, n equal to 2. So integral power of I, this is I raised to power 0. So value of I is 1. But if the value of I is, you know, root minus 1. So if the power is, you know, if the power of I is 1, so value is I. If the I raised to power 2 is what? Squaring of this, square of I and squaring of this I equal to minus 1. It's okay. So